everyone.
Good morning!
Today I will discuss about the tessellations of shapes. So, um, before we proceed to our discussion, can you please read the objectives?
At the end of the lesson, the student should be able to recognize shapes that can tessellate and tessellate to the brain using triangles, squares, and other shapes.
This is the overview of the topic. Tessellation can be found all over the place. It's either in the kitchen, bathroom, tiles, and line. They also provide a nice application of some basic properties of polygons. Okay, what is tessellation? Everyone, please read.
It is a pattern of shapes that perfectly fit together. This means that there are no gaps and overlaps in between shapes.
So tessellation is it is a pattern of shapes that kanang hindi siya lalagpas at the shape will kanang fit into the to the box or something. Then MC Escher, a Dutch graphic artist, was famous for the dimensional illusions he created in his woodcuts and lithographs and carried out in many of his tessellations as well. So, si MC Escher is isa siya sa mga experiment about the tessellations of shapes. So, here are some of the examples of regular tessellations. So, as you can see, the number 1, example, brick wall. Di ba, wala siyang lagpas and then perfectly fit together siya.
Yes.
The next is the honeycombs.
Yes!
Yung bahay ng mga bubuyog, di ba? Perfectly fit together siya, walang lagpas. So, there are types of transformation in geometry. First one is the translation, the rotation, and glide reflection. So first, let us know about what is translation. So translation is a movement that shapes the shape vertically, horizontally, or in diagonal. Okay, let's try this. Suppose you have a trapezoid on a grid. Translate the hexagon 4 units to the right and 3 units up. So I see everyone. So paano siya translate? So translate the hexagon 4 units to the right and 3 units up. So, 4 units to the right. Magsisimula tayo dito sa letter A. So, hanapin natin si letter A. 4 units to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then, 3 units up. 1, 2, 3. So, dito si letter A. Sunod naman si letter D. Let's count together. 4 units to the right and 3 units up. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And 3 units up. 1, 2, 3. Dito si letter D. Next, si letter B. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 3 units up. 1, 2, 3. Here. Next, letter C. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 units up. 1, 2, 3. So here. So now we have translated the pentagon. Remember that if we are done translating the shape, so the letter will have the vertices above, like this. Did you get it?
Yes.
Okay. Another one. Everyone, please read.
Suppose you have a hexagon on a grid. Translate the hexagon 5 units to the right and 3 units up.
Okay. Let's translate the hexagon. First, we have letter A. 5 units to the right. Okay, let's count together.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
And then 3 units up.
1, 2, 3.
So here, letter A. Next, the letter F. Okay, let's count together.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
And then 3 units up.
1, 2, 3.
Here, the letter F. Next, the letter B.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
And then 3 units up.
1, 2, 3.
Next, the letter E.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
And then 3 units up.
1, 2, 3.
Next, the letter C.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
3 units up.
1, 2, 3.
And last, the letter D.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
3 units up.
1, 2, 3.
And now, we have translated the hexagon.
Perfect.
Remember that after we translate it, the number will have its vertices. Now, let's proceed to the rotation. Everyone, please read.
Of course, when you rotate a shape about a point at a predetermined angle.
Okay, I have here an example. We will use the rotation by clockwise, in a clockwise direction. So, as you can see, this is our origin. And then this is the y-axis and the x-axis. So, as you can see, the letter A is in the in x-axis. Nandito siya sa negative 3. 1, 2, and 3. Ay, 1, 2, and 3. So, X, A, and then, in the y-axis, nandito siya sa 1, 2, and 3. So, next, the letter B. So, in x-axis, nandito siya sa positive 1. And then, in y-axis, nandito siya sa negative 3. 1, 2, 3. And then, the letter C, nandito siya sa negative 1 sa x-axis. And then, in y-axis, same lang siya in 1. Nandito siya sa 1 ng y-axis. So now, to rotate this one, babaguhin lang natin yung x. Di ba? Negative si x. So, gagawin natin siyang positive. So, magiging positive 3 na siya. And then, magiging babaguhin lang natin yung ano nila yung sign. So, to rotate this one, unahin muna natin si letter A. So, dito. So, si A, in x-axis, so, dito x-axis, so, dito tayo kasi, in this x-axis, this is the positive side. And this one is the negative side. And the y-axis is above is the positive side, and under this is the negative side. So since the letter A in x-axis is in 3, so positive 3. So let's find 1, 2, and 3. So in y-axis, positive 3. So here, 1, 2, and 3. So here, this is the letter A. Do you follow?
Yes.
And then, let's find the letter B. So in x-axis, it is negative 1. And y-axis is negative 3. So, we start here in negative 1. Negative 1. And then, in y-axis, positive 3. So, 1, 2, and 3. So, here. Next is the letter C. So in x-axis, positive 1, and y-axis is positive 1. So this is the origin. So this is the negative 1. So let's just put it here, the letter C. So now we have rotated the triangle shape. Watch carefully. This is the C vertices, and the B, the A, and the B. Do you understand?
Yes.
That's how rotation. That's how rotation works. Then the last one is the glide reflection. Everyone, please read.
Is a combination of a reflection and a translation. This can occur by first reflecting the shape and then gliding or translating into its new location, or by translating first and then reflecting.
Okay. So, glide reflection is a combination of reflection and translation. So first, ang gagawin natin is i-reflect natin si pentagon here. And then, after we reflect the shape, then we do the translation. So, gaya lang nung, yung pag-translate natin is gaya nung ginawa ko kanina nung una. So, okay. So, it is a trapezoid which is reflected over the dashed line, so it appears upside down. Then we shifted the shape horizontally by 6 units to the right. So, all we have to do is to shift the shape through through shifting it to the right 6 units. So, like this. First we have the letter A. So, let us translate it 6 units to the right. So, let's start here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Next, the letter D. 6 units to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next, the letter B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next, the letter C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, we have a translated pentagon now. So again, let's put above the vertices of the letter. So this is how light reflection works. Everyone, do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. Tessellating the shapes. Let's tessellating the shapes. So here are the examples. The squares. So as you can see, the pattern of square is a translation of shape horizontally and vertically. Next, the hexagon. So the hexagonal pattern is translated horizontally and in diagonal. Diba? And then, pwede siya in diagonal to the left and to the right. Next is the equilateral triangle. So, as you can see, the darker side is the face of the triangle, while the brighter side is reflection of a triangle. Did you get it?
Yes.
Yeah, get it. So, Esther experimented these 3 shapes that can tessellate the plane by themselves because as we go back to the tessellation, the definition of tessellation, it is a pattern of shapes that perfectly fit together and there is no gaps and overlaps. So, these are the summary of key points. So, remember that tessellation, any pattern of repeating shapes that covers a surface completely without overlapping or leaving any gaps. Then, the glide reflection, it is a combination of a reflection and a translation. Rotation occurs when you rotate a shape about a point and a predetermined angle. Next, the translation. It is a movement that shifts the shape vertically, horizontally, or on diagonal. Then, MC Escher, a Dutch graphic artist, created intricate patterns of repeating shapes, often featuring animals, plants, and geometric forms. Again, what is a tessellation?
Repeating patterns.
Yes, Mitch?
Tessellation is a repeating patterns, just like horizontal and vertical, like triangles, honeycombs. Oh.
Repeat together with Mitch. How about translation? The shape is shifted through horizontally, vertically, or in diagonal. Remember that one. So, now that you already know about the tessellation of shapes, so we will have an assessment.